Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is plaguing us at an all-time high, all at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the here and now. I need you to be present in the moment. So many impactful things happening at the small, intricate moments. The small differences, the small things like a small screw in a table, that's what keeps it stable. Without that screw, everything will fall apart. So I need you, as you're moving along into your new seasons of blessings, look at everything that you've done, all the minute to the humongous things that you have noticed that are around you, that's been helping your transition, helping you to evolve, because that will make a huge difference. I need you to put that in your backpack. Be present. I need you to not worry about the past, because the past is gone. Don't worry about the future, because we don't know what the future holds, but your prosperity is no reason to live in the future. It's time to live in the magic of now, because you'll never have now ever again. The future does not exist and the past is gone, and I focus on the present moment, baby. And I have the confidence in life again, because here now, there is no danger. This is love, it's peace, everything that you need. You have everything that you need. Not everything you may want at this moment, but that's what the future is bringing to you. Everything happens when my soul is ready to soar. And I know that you're ready, because you are not procrastinating sign. You're one that's put the pedal to the metal. It's time to make sure we turn our words into the actions. Put some bite behind that bark. So walk behind that talk. I know that you're ready, but I want you to enjoy this moment, because you'll never have this moment again. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. I love you.